BLU Vivo 5 Mini, and let me show you how to flash this device. So let me show you how to change or update firmware on the following phone. So at the very beginning, let's use the tutorial from HardReset.Info. Here you need to download a few things. First of all, the BLU Drivers. So let's open the following website. Here let's scroll down to choose BLU, and let's use drivers with MTK CPU right here. Use download button and let's simply tap download right here. Alright, so then let's go next and let's download the SP Flash tool. So let's use the latest one, the following one, and let's use download button as well. Alright, so then you need to use the most important part, so the BLU firmware. So we have some BLU firmware database. Here you need to choose your desired model. In my case it's the following one, it's BLU Vivo 5 Mini. In my case it's version V050EQ. You can check out this in your recovery mode. This is the Android 6.0. So let me download this firmware. Let's use the mega upload link. Let's just use this download button. Alright, so when you have everything, you need to open the folder with the following tools. Let's unpack MTK drivers, let's unpack the firmware and SP Flash tool, then let's install the drivers. So here you need to open this folder, choose your version, and let's go through this initializing setup process. I've got my drivers installed, so let me just tap finish. Alright, here you need to also open the SP Flash tool. So let's open this folder, choose Flash tool application, let's use right click and choose run as administrator. Alright, so now you are ready to go next. Let's check out on the tutorial what you need to do next. You need to load the scatter file, so let's do it. Let's load here the scatter file under the download box. So let's open the folder with your firmware right here. Choose firmware and choose the scatter file. Alright, let's unclick preloader. Let's here choose download only. It's really important to choose download only. And let's here tap download. Alright, so then you need to switch off your device. Let's press power key, choose power off and tap OK. Wait until your device will be completely switched off. Prepare the micro USB cable connected to your PC, and now you are ready to connect your device. So let me do it. Let's connect your device to a PC. And here you've got the progress bar, so you need to wait until the flash will be completed. Alright, as you can see, the flash operation is done. Let's close it. Now you can also disconnect your device from your PC and simply switch on the BLU by pressing the power key. The BLU is switching on. Alright, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the flash is done. Of course, the flash will also erase all personal data, so you have to be aware of this. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.